Ideal for framers, roofers, and carpenters, the 7 1/4 inch magnesium circular saw. The 15-amp motor with a max output of 2,300 watts delivers proven performance. Made with magnesium components, this saw is well balanced with less weight. It has a beveled capacity that reaches 56 degrees. Its bevel adjustment and positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees ensure optimum cutting flexibility. The lowered guard design improves performance. The built-in LED light and dust blower enhances the line of cut for increased accuracy. The reinforced power cord withstands job site abuse. Make quick, one-handed adjustments with its large rubberized levers with easy-to-read numbers and ruler markings. The 7 1/4 inch magnesium circular saw.